about to take a little Savasana. So when you come out, place your hips on the floor. And if that's feeling nice, take another block with your hips resting on the floor. I'm even here. So if you have a little head forward posture, you might support your head by placing the block a little bit higher and then working your way down to even. Or if you feel like, I want a little bit more back bend, you're welcome to take the block at its lowest level. Cactus arms or palms up, arms out. Just feel your body resting. Feel your hips sinking toward the floor. If you want to make any adjustments, actually I want to take my block a little bit more toward the floor just because it makes my back feel a little easier after that initial back bend. And since recovery is all about ease, I want you to breathe and think about breathing, ease, and allowing your joints to relax. For your bones to feel heavy against the floor. And for your belly to soften. And I encourage you to stay for the duration. Stay for about 5 or 10 minutes and luxuriate in your ease and your restfulness. And have a good recovery. And let me know how it goes.